All right, hello, and today I'm here with David, and we're going to talk about our Triplex Central Medical Vacuum System. So David, tell us a little bit about this system.
Yeah, this is a Triplex Central Vacuum System, meaning that we have 3 pumps. We make these with, for medical systems, we have 1 pump, which would be a simplex, 2 pump, which would be a duplex, and of course here's a triplex. We also make them in what they call quads, which is 4. But they all have a PLC with an HMI interface and also set up on a lead lag system, which means the first pump will come on and it'll run this, whatever the cycle is, then the next pump comes on and that runs the next cycle, and then the third pump in this case would come on, or the second pump, and so forth. The reason that's done that way is so we can keep equal runtime hours on each one of these. In this particular case, we're using our VRT 3250 model rotary vane vacuum pump that and it's usually customer specific as to which system that we build. This system will be used for life support systems all the way down to anesthesia machines in this particular case, but we also have the industrial systems. The industrial systems are built similar, just without having the NFPA 99 compliance that has to be tied to those because of a medical vacuum system.
Okay, now it's my understanding that these will cycle individually, but if demand for pressure goes up, you can turn more than 1 pump on too.
That's correct. Well, you don't have to turn them on. The PLC will actually tell it to come on and allow 1 pump, 2 pumps, or all 3 pumps to run at the same time. And then as the demand is met, it will also shut 1 pump down, or 2 pumps down, or even the third once it all meets the demand. Then of course that's when the lead lag system takes in, and then the second pump that didn't come on, that wasn't on the first time, comes on and allows it to do the cycle. And if we have to, the same thing happens. If we have a big drop in demand, we have redundancy for these pumps to come on and make up that redundancy.
Now what if I need to repair one? What if one goes down? Can I keep the system going?
Yes, if one goes down, it's absolutely pretty easy. We have a valving system set up to where you can shut 1 pump off and still run on 2 pumps, or even shut 2 pumps off and run on 1 if your system is designed that way. Typical medical system is designed for, you're right, well, you could have 2 pumps running and 1 pump down at one point.
Okay, now this is going into our QC process. We just finished manufacturing this?
Yes, we just finished manufacturing it, and so we want to just run it through all its paces, make sure all the alarms work that's supposed to. So this also has a low vacuum alarm. It also will send a signal to, it has dry contacts in it where it will send a signal to different places in the plant to let you know that the vacuum system, the low vacuum, that hit to low vacuum, and the alarm stays on. It also, but you do have to manually come down and shut it off. It also will tell you that if for some reason one of the pumps didn't start, and it'll let you know which pump didn't start.
Okay, and since this is an engineered system, like you said, we could use different pumps, different technology, depending on what the customer's application?
Yes, correct.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Sure.